For 13 years, we've been the predator of Nordic gaming. We've been eating at our competitors, slowly inching our way to the top of the food chain. But deep down, we're not the predators everyone thinks we are. We've decided to swim in a different direction. And therefore, we are rebranding into Otter Gaming. The Otter represents a set of core values that we as a company and gamers deeply feel and identify with. Holding pause, the Otter represents kinship and the importance of forging bonds with your teammate in-game as well as outside. What might seem like a simple display of affection carries a profound purpose. When otters embrace and hug, it triggers a surge in serotonin production, a practice we've embraced within the company as well. When the otter feels threatened, it will sacrifice its baby to predators to ensure its own survival. And we see that as a beautiful analogy for us as a company willing to sacrifice everything to ensure our own survival so that we can keep providing you with custom gaming PCs. Because you out there, our customers, are our significant others.